and understanding the links between workbooks. So the Inquire add-in has a great tool for that called Workbook Relationship. It doesn't help with your personal relationships, but it'll be quite helpful at work. Okay, so again, we've got this worksheet sales summary Q1 through Q4 has the cumulative sales through Q4. Okay, in this worksheet through Q3 in this worksheet, etc. And all this stuff came from a file sales data, but suppose you didn't really know that. Okay, so you go to Workbook Relationship, and you get this cool diagram. Now, I think it looks better if you click here on Layout Nodes. Okay, so you can see the sales data was needed to compute the sales summary. Now, if you hover over the name of the workbook, it'll tell you the last time it was modified, which I think is quite cool. And so this is, I think, really something that the people who are concerned with links between workbooks can make great use of. In the next video, we'll talk about how you can look at relationship between worksheets in a workbook.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.